Hello, welcome all. It's Shahid here from My Institute Do Success. We are the online academy providing uh, technical courses so that we can empower our youth and they can earn a reasonable income. This is our social project. We are going to start free cosmetic course online. This is going to be the first video. When we talk about cosmetics, usually every book discuss classification like skincare, color, cosmetics, hair care, but there is another classification also. You may heard this cosmetic is organic, this cosmetic is herbal, this cosmetic is so. Today we are going to just differentiate what these are. If you look at a cosmetic, basically cosmetic is made of cosmetic have only few things like gel, lotion, cream, textures. But there are a lot of different creams: herbal cream, whitening cream, glowing cream, night cream, hand and foot cream, acne cream. What's make different? We have to note that. Same is the case with the lotion, same is the case with the gels and serums. The additives, the functional part which is added to the basic cream. Basically, cream is the process of emulsification which we are going to study in our next lectures. What make difference? These are the additives in a basic cream, lotion, serum, or gel. Additives, the functional components are added. According to that particular cream or that particular cosmetic is claimed to have certain features. If we add chemicals, stuff, material which is good for healing acne, help to stop the production of new acne, then that particular cream would be called the anti-acne cream. Same is the case with everything. So main thing is additives. How we shall proceed? We shall first learn basic cream, basic lotion, basic serum, and basic lotion. After that, we shall only discuss for each category the additives which are going to be changed, which are going to be added at the final stage of the cream. And in that way, we can make a lot of different type of creams, lotions, serums by just learning few technical techniques of making cosmetics. Uh, Today is not the scope of our lecture that we discuss each and everything in detail. Just we want to discuss today about the different type of cosmetics like organic, natural, herbal. What are they? Why this is so important? I shall let you know at the end, inshallah. Organic. Any product which is authorized by a concerned organic certified authority is claimed to be organic. Without any certification, no product can be claimed as organic. This should be very much clear. What are organic? Basically, they try to ensure that each and every ingredient used in that particular cosmetic from origin till the final product throughout the chain, means from seed then growing, because most of our natural and organic additives and functional components come from the herbs, vegetable, fruit, like that, trees. From seed till the production of the cosmetic, each and every stage, the organic standard of manufacturing, growing, and handling are kept observed. That particular thing only can be called a cosmetic. For a small brand who want to start a cosmetic, particularly organic cosmetic in America and in European Union, they face a lot of complications in registration, having certification, because these certifications not only take time but they involve huge cost. For small company, that become a sort of impossible to attain these certifications. That's why they derive the word natural. Natural basically is organic, or you can say any product which is near to organic or have all natural ingredient in it but not certified. Being not certified as organic, so there is a lot of play. One can play with the percentage. Suppose anyone is using herbal or organic natural components, 75%, 25%, other chemicals and like that, they can make any mix. So there is no regulatory agency to regulate natural product, whereas organic product have relevant agencies. So the people in those countries derive the word natural to have a safe exit or to have a parallel way out to avoid the cost, the money, the huge investment, the startup cost, making it easy for small entrepreneurs to take initiative and start working. Second is herbal. If we use any herbal extract as functional ingredient in any cosmetic, rather it is organic, rather it is natural, it's synthetic, whatsoever, uh, that particular cosmetic can be called herbal. But in herbal, when we talk about herbal, we have different school of thoughts like Ayurveda, the most ancient and known. Everybody throughout the world know about the word Ayurveda. Then we have Unani, then we have traditional Chinese medicine, we have Western herbalism like that. One must have to follow the certain school of thought. This is not a way you have one information from the Western herbalism, second from Ayurveda, third from traditional Chinese medicine, and you mix it just like eeny, meeny, miny, mo. That would not work. You have to follow, if you are following the herbal way out of cosmetic as actives, you have to adopt and follow a particular school of thought of herbal remedies or a herbal cure system. And this is very important. If we use Ayurveda herbal system and use additives according to that school of thought in our cosmetic, then those cosmetics can be called Ayurvedic cosmetics. If we follow traditional Chinese medicine, because they have huge and total different nature of components and lot of things which can be done. They have very vast range of components, mostly which are only available in China and particular regions, not easily available everywhere. Then you can call that TCM cosmetics. Now we come to the synthetics. What is synthetic? Anything which is made up of chemical would be called synthetic. It doesn't mean any chemicals are bad. Nothing is bad. The way we use anything that make that particular thing good or bad. If we use chemicals in a recommended way, in an optimized, very balanced way, there is no chance that they can be harmful, because even natural product, each and everything is made of chemicals. We cannot avoid chemicals, but in natural and organic, so cosmetics, we have the chemicals from natural sources, where in synthetic we have synthesized in labs and fact is different chemicals. So when the word chemical or synthetic cosmetic come in our mind, we must keep in mind that every chemical is not bad. If we use chemicals in a recommended and proper way, there is no way the synthetic cosmetic can harm. They can be useful as equal to organic or natural. Why we have discussed these things? Because the purpose of this course is to teach you guys and people how to make the cosmetics. It's a very simple person, a layman who can just understand a language, can easily make cosmetics. It's so simple. The way in which we are going to teach, the next few lectures we are going to deliver, are so designed that each and every person can be a cosmetic formulator or cosmetic manufacturer. But one thing is needed: you must have an interest. The key player in this industry is the interest. If you have the interest, then you can do. The way in which we have designed this free course, which is going to be a series of lecture on the YouTube, it's totally depend on the interest, the level of devotion, the level of interest, the depth of devotion you have. And one must clear from the very first day what he or she is going to do. because it's not a way you want to plan your own small brand, a niche, your own cosmetics. One is organic, one is natural, one is synthetic. This is not the way. You have to define your clear domain, in which domain you want to move. That's why I made this video even before what is cosmetic, definition of cosmetic, blah blah. Instead of that, I just make main division. You must be very much clear in which direction you want to move, so that in future or whenever you take the step, you should be very much clear. You have the proper line of direction, what you are going to do, what is your tagline, what type of products are in, what category of products you want to produce, and which particular market you want to hit. We also shall discuss a lot of different digital marketing strategies over the time. Uh, was our first introductory lecture, so I shall not prolong it so that you not lose your interest. In future, we are going to have series of lectures which are going to be uploaded on this channel, on this playlist. So it is requested to you to all please subscribe, like and share our channel so that you get the proper information on right time whenever we have a new video uploaded. And we hope you shall share this information to other people who are interested in this field, so that the work we are doing, maximum people can get benefited. Thank you for your time. See you soon. Bye.